Welcome back, viewers. Now, the Delhi police on Monday detained around 125 protesters from Ladakh, including climate activist Sonam Wangchuk at the Singhu border, in line with prohibitory orders imposed in the national capital till October the 6th. This came as the Delhi Chalo Padyatra, led by Wangchuk, reached the city border with about 1,000 people from Leh, police officials said. The foot march was scheduled to end at Rajghat on Gandhi Jayanti to mark the birth anniversary of the father of the nation on October the 2nd. Wangchuk tweeted the news of his detention. Now, we also have breaking news coming in. After Sonam Wangchuk was detained, the opposition has trained its guns at the Modi government. Leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, has called Wangchuk's detention unacceptable. Other opposition leaders also called it an undemocratic move by the Modi government.
अस्सी साल का एक बुजुर्ग अपने लद्दाख जैसे क्षेत्र की, जो पाकिस्तान से जुड़ा हुआ क्षेत्र है, सेंसिटिव क्षेत्र है, वहाँ के लिए कुछ मांगने अगर अपने देश की राजधानी में आ रहा है, ऐसे में केंद्र सरकार का दिल्ली में कर्फ्यू लगा देना, ये कह देना कि अब आने वाले 6 दिनों के अंदर 5 से ज़्यादा लोग इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते, क्या बकवास है। दिल्ली में 3 तारीख से नवरात्रे शुरू हो जाएंगे, रामलीला शुरू हो जाएंगी, और आप कह रहे हैं कि 5 आदमी से ज़्यादा लोग इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते। रामलीला में लाखों लोग इकट्ठे होंगे। अगर है एलजी के अंदर हिम्मत तो रोक के दिखाए।
Priyank and Hina are joining us. Priyank, I don't know who Saurabh Bharadwaj was referring to. Just like to clarify, Sonam Wangchuk is not 80 years old. He's about 58 as far as I'm given to understand. However, coming back to his issue, the people of Leh, led by Sonam Wangchuk, have been making demands for quite some time, if I'm not mistaken. Now they have reached the borders of Delhi. They have been detained. Where are they now? And tell us a little bit more about this controversy.
Certainly, Sonam Wangchuk, along with
Well, I think we appear to have had some trouble with that line with Priyank. We have Hina with us. Hina, the opposition crying foul over the detention of Sonam Wangchuk, who's saying what?
Well, absolutely. Reactions have started pouring in from leaders of parties belonging to the INDIA bloc. And I would like to begin with what Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition, has said in this regard. He says, and I quote, "The detention of Sonam Wangchuk ji and hundreds of Ladakhis peacefully marching for environmental and constitutional rights is unacceptable." He's even mentioned why are elderly citizens being detained at Delhi's border for standing up for Ladakh's future. Modi ji, like with the farmers, this Chakravyuh will be broken, and so will your arrogance. You will have to listen to Ladakh's voice. Once again, the Chakravyuh attack is back from Rahul Gandhi for the Prime Minister. And then we have a reaction coming in from Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge as well, who in the recent past has been quite aggressive as well on his attacks, especially towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Now he's saying the arrogance of the Modi government, consumed in power, has detained a group of citizens from Ladakh peacefully marching to Delhi. This is nothing but a cowardly action. So he has called it a cowardly action by Modi government. He says the Modi government wants to exploit the ecologically sensitive Himalayan glaciers of Ladakh to benefit its crony friends. So Chakravyuh attack coming in from Rahul Gandhi, crony friends, again crony attack coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge. Let's quickly take you through what Delhi's former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has said on this particular issue. दिल्ली में आने से कभी किसानों को रोकते हैं, कभी लद्दाख के लोगों को रोकते हैं। क्या दिल्ली किसी एक शख्स की बपौती है? दिल्ली देश की राजधानी है, दिल्ली में आने का सबको अधिकार है। ये सरासर गलत है। निहत्ते शांतिपूर्ण लोगों से आखिर इन्हें क्या डर लग रहा है? So there you have Arvind Kejriwal also attacking the center over the incident that has been reported. Sonam Wangchuk and other people who were protesting, who were trying to enter the national capital, who were detained earlier.
So that's